Hello all. In this video session we will be discussing about pointer to structure variables, and we will be explaining it through an example. So consider that we have a structure student. So we have defined a structure student. So struct student in roll number, char name of 12. So the members of the student are roll number and name. Okay. Now for declaring pointer to the structure variable, first we have to declare the structure variable. So here the structure variable s is declared, struct student s. Then after that a pointer to the structure student is declared like this, that is struct student star p. Star denotes is a pointer and struct student denotes its pointing type. So struct student star p means p is a pointer which is capable of pointing to structure variable of type student. Okay, and we can point to a structure variable by getting the address of the structure variable. So it is similar to what we have done in when we considered integers, float or double, etc. So to get the address of s, we can just give ampersand s, where ampersand is the address of operator. So if we give p is equal to ampersand s, then the address of s will be stored in the pointer p. Okay, that's how we get the address of the structure variable. Okay, now we will see how we can access elements of a structure or members of a structure using pointers. Okay, so if we have a pointer p which is holding the address of the structure variable, then we can use the points to operator to access the member of the structure or element of the structure. Okay, so remember about this operator, points to operator. It is denoted by minus greater than symbol. Okay, so now consider this program. So we have defined a structure student. Okay, it has two members, roll number and name. Then inside main we have declared the structure variable. Then we have declared the pointer to the structure student. Okay, so now we will see how the execution of this code works. Okay, so we will be accessing the elements of the structure using pointers. Okay, and for example we are considering the structure student. Okay, so program execution starts with main. Then when this statement is executed, memory will be allocated for the variable s. So this structure variable s will have the roll number part and name part, and I am assuming that it is starting from the address 200. Now the roll number and name can be stored in continuous memory locations, or maybe they can be stored in different memory locations. Okay, for the time being I'm just considering the memory allocation like this. Then after that I am executing the statement struct student star p, which means that p is a pointer which is capable of pointing to the type student or type structure student. Okay, so memory will be allocated for p. Assume it is allocated at address 1025. Okay, now to get the address of this structure variable, we can use ampersand s. So p is equal to ampersand s will be giving or will be getting the address 200 and storing it in p. Okay, then once we get the address of the structure variable inside our pointer, then we can use that pointer and this points to operator to access members of the structure. For example, to read the roll number in the structure variable which is stored at location 200, we can simply give p points to roll number. Since we in this scanf we have to give the address, it is given as ampersand p points to roll number, that is the roll number member of the structure variables whose address is stored in p. Okay, so p is 200, p points to roll number means in the address 200 it is pointing to the member roll number. Okay, and if we want to access the name component of the member, we can just simply give p points to name. So p, we have address 200, and inside that 200 we want to access the member name, so it will be accessing this part of the structure. Okay, so the same way we have just printed the value. So p points to roll number, will print the member roll number of this variable stored at location 200, and p points to name will print the name part of the or name member of the structure stored at address 200. Okay, that's how pointer to structure works, and in order to access pointer to a structure we will be using this points to operate. Okay, also remember about this point to operate. Okay, thank you.